Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Khapital Ghostwriter. So this song was just sent to me in my DM to react to. And I say, why not just react to something? So this is Shano and Kyodi this. Khapital with Shano and Kyodi this. The song named Ghostwriter. So I'm curious to know if he's writing for somebody. See it there? Get the cover art. So I'm curious to know if he's writing for somebody or what is going on. So let's get it. Let's see what's going on. So in this Shano too. Shano and is not the artist if I play it, but I can hear this.
Yo, kids, we just get this over with. Nah, them boy take up too much of the time, you see me? Da, even though me never ask, me did I wonder how much envy that you got in a yard, so me go take too long for cut you off, so now you block me cause me nah give you no song for this Marco.
So somebody cut him off because him not give no song for this Marco, then block him. Who block him? Was he talking about Kyodi?
Even though me never ask, me did I wonder how much envy that you got in a yard, so.
Sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me on my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_worst_gamer, reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video. Even though me did ask, me did wonder how much envy that you have in your heart. So
even though me never ask, me did I wonder how much envy that you got in a yard, so me go take too long for cut you off, so now you block me cause me nah give you no song for this Marco. I don't pity them but I know heaven this. Heaven never see nothing so devilish. Run up on them corner then me level it. Keep set up, be all of them, be all of them now. So lift it up and plant it on them, take them title from them. All I see them pose up like a dan them, I get full up like when I'm been up them fans them. If I go know this like them anthem, make me show the road who did I write your song them pussy.
I'm gonna show the world who did I write your song them. So who am I talking? I calling him yet?
Full up like when I'm been up them fans them. If I go know this like them anthem, make me show the road who did I write your song them pussy. Think I know me know you're fake. Just find your Jordan mind your last card, you don't know your place. I know the lay with the counteraction, action don't be late.
I wish the clarity was a bit more clearer, so I can hear everything. Like, is that me a strain for ear walk one? Me no want to knock this song. Me no want to knock this song because I'm really interested to know who he was writing for.
Find your Jordan mind your last card, you don't know your place. I know the lay with the counteraction, action don't be late. Strike off with them, rise off of the bench, them never know the play. Anyway, no feel say pussy mouth, Kyodi safe, him a get him jelly.
Anyway, no feel say pussy mouth, Kyodi safe. So Kyodi ma talk.
It's like the man make me show the road who did I write your song, them pussy think I know me know you're fake. Just find your yard and mind your last card, you don't know your place. I know the lay with the counter.
Just find your yard, mind your last, just know your place. The man I say, oh, no pass your bus stop, no pass your place with me.
Think I know me know you're fake. Just find your yard and mind your last card, you don't know your place. I know the lay with the counteraction, action don't be late. Strike off with them, rise off of the bench, them never know the play. Anyway, no feel so pussy mouth, Kyodi safe, him a get him jelly, fly out the place, then me buy out the case.
Now, if he say Kyodi safe, he might get him brain dash out and then he might go buy out the case. So he might tell us, say, yo, even if him get catch a case, he might go buy it out.
No feel so pussy mouth, Kyodi safe, he might get him jelly, fly out the place, then me buy out the case. Ball of fire in the sky, up on a cloudy day. You copy the style, you know me great and that is no debate.
You copy the style, you know me great and that is no debate. Ghostwriters is active.
All of fire in the sky, up on a cloudy day. You copy the style, you know me great and that is no debate. Wait, for stick how much is I tell me loud debate.
Wait, and stick how much is I tell me loud debate.
The style, you know me great and that is no debate. Wait, for stick how much is I tell me loud debate. But me say no, the crowd are wait and I right now the date. Without the
loud debate and say no, the crowd are wait And know what the date.
The cake for butterfly from me run out the cage just for the amount of day. Them money that work for them without the pay. See how you
The amount of day man did I work with them without the pay. So he might tell you, say he was writing for somebody. He was writing for Kyodi.
cake for butterfly from me run out the cage just for the amount of day. Them money that work for them without the pay. See how you stay. You the pussy to me.
Yo, see Kyodi, my boy, my forward up there, my circle Kyodi foot. Yeah, Kyodi foot, I go, you know, no man link for the no song. Kyodi.
Yo, them not real.
Ooh-wee. Vice note play. Receipt.
Yo, see Kyodi, my boy, my forward up there, my circle Kyodi foot. Yeah, Kyodi foot, I go, you know, no man link for the no song.
Yo, them not real.
So he must say, you know, to say, Kyodi are worried. A man, like, him never call the person name when my walk worried, but obviously him already the matter. So him already the marker, so he must say, yo, circle a Kyodi foot. Circle, Kyodi foot, you go there. You see me, he must say, don't make no other man tell us if I write no song. Kyodi, I write for.
Yo, see Kyodi, my boy, my forward up there, my circle Kyodi foot. Yeah, Kyodi foot, I go, you know, no man link for the no song. Kyodi.
Yo, them not real. I'm proud of them. Take the title from them. All I see them pose up like a dan them. I get full up like when I'm been up them fans them. I forgot know this like them and them bet me sure.
Fall up like a
For the no song. Kyodi.
Yo, them not real. I'm proud of them. Take the title from them. All I see them pose up like a dan them. I get full up like when I'm been up them fans them. I forgot know this like them and them bet me sure the road who did the right song them bet them never bright up again. Dark room, go for the night vision them full of jumbo but some different type of pan them. Get my mad, be swear to God them want to draw me down in a barrel like a crab them. You should have put some respect on my name. My lyrics are take go trample gauge when you're up on the lane. I want
my lyrics are tech. Hit them man. We hit them man.
type of pan them. Get my mad, be swear to God them want to draw me down in a barrel like a crab them. You should have put some respect on my name. My lyrics are take go trample gauge when you're up on the lane. I want
My lyrics are tech. Trample gauge when they're on the lane. Shano and Gage clash. Shano and Gage clash. So he must say, him right for Shano too. But Shano right for people. So how can a writer be writing for somebody when that person is writing for somebody else? You understand?
You should have put some respect on my name. My lyrics are take go trample gauge when you're up on the lane. I want me right and give up on the page. I take up on the stage. I last up on the space.
I want me take and write, give up on the page. I hate to take and go up on the stage.
Gauge when you're up on the lane. I want me right and give up on the page. I take up on the stage. I last up on the space. I beat the drum. Them think a bands will play. No, it's a trigger finger up on the slave. I'm gonna go on the trade. No one for afraid of rocket and grenade. For days, from 80 plenty more up on the way. So she ever plan the raid. I'm gonna go tear down with them a congregate.
What him sound like? Which floor, which artist out of Kyodi and Shano, which artist would have that floor here? Which artist have that floor here? Shano would have the floor here to me.
No, it's a trigger finger up on the slave. I'm gonna go on the trade. No one for afraid of rocket and grenade. For days, from 80 plenty more up on the way. So she ever plan the raid. I'm gonna go tear down with them a congregate. Be brave. Them if it is sitting them up. Bumbo clock mount of them what test and none no pass. No, can't fist me down, me lift me gun. You coulda did run so fast. Them chopper ya nah ring no phone. Them no cut down no grass. So him gun but him rock him nose and make it run go grass. Can't wait till them answer back. I'll know the fun no start.
Can't wait till them answer back. I'll know the fun no start. Him a chopping up people. Him a chopping up. Viewers and subscribers, are you here chopping up? But if you're so talented, what you write for people? If me so talented, me I be selfish, call me, whatever you want to call me. Not right for nobody. No, not right for nobody.
Gun but him rock him nose and make it run go grass. Can't wait till them answer back. I'll know the fun no start. Come to class. Get some enlightenment to them so dark. To run in for park and never back. I'll know the fun no start. Come to class. Get some enlightenment to them so dark. To run in for park and every corner just no run none off. Me know burn up squad. Me know the goal of them and none no laugh. Yeah.
I know burn up squad, I know the goalers them and none no laugh. So he must say him know the mark of them and him know tentic them and none no laugh. How are they blood clot?
Running go park on every corner, just no run none off. Me know burn up squad, me know the goal of them and none no laugh. Yeah man, see him from them, take the title from them. All I see them pose up like a dan them, I get full up like when I'm been up them fans them. I forgot know this like them and them bet me show the road who did the right song them bet them never bright up again. Dark room, go for the night vision them full of jumbo but some different type of pan them. Get my mad, be swear to God them want to draw me down in a barrel like a crab them. God them never rate the thing, them just be want a ghost writer. Realize I'm a talent, me get the most fight for the longest while man.
That them just want a ghostwriter. I realize I'm a talent and get the most fight for. Boom,
My
boom.
mad be swear to God, them want to draw me down in a barrel like a crab them. Cause them never rate the thing, them just want a ghostwriter. Realize I'm a talent, me get the most fight for. The longest while, man, I relax and I said won't fight back. But a full time, I make some fool know me no joke like that.
In cup full, in cup I run over him. I say, yo, a long time I'm gonna get the fight, brother, and just sit back and just relax. You see me? But right now, enough is enough. Him not take no more of that shit. Fuck that.
The longest while, man, I relax and I said won't fight back. But a full time, I make some fool know me no joke like that. No.
Bumbleclot. Guys, leave in the comment section, please. Who him attack? Who? Well, we know who him attack. We know say Shane or him attack. And Kyodi. Yo. Brother. Khapital, my words to you, bro. You are talented. From this, you are at the first man, this is the one you sang them. You are a talented artist. Do your work for yourself. Don't make no man program you and benefit from your talent. If a man not talented enough to write him one song them or perform or and write him one song them, he's not suitable to be in. I believe in a full run artist should be able to do everything for themselves. Write them song. I mean, if you're in the studio and you have all the vibes and you make a song and a man put in 1 and 2 lines, that cool, that good, that great. But if you sit down and write out a full song, yeah, man, come on. You are more than capable of doing it yourself. You just prove to it, bro. Bro, in my wordplay, at first in clarity wasn't there for me, but one time I listen clearly, I think like, yo, in my fire, bro. In my fire. I'm glad to react to this. They got the person who sent me this. Yo, bumbleclot. The youth bad. And if him bad, we have to give him flowers. Khapital, you're bad, bro. JAMAICA'S game, I tell you, say you're bad, fam. You're bad. You see me? Let's see who I go answer. If none of them answer, are them shame? We don't know. We'll go on down the lane. Murder. Anyway, this is my colleague. If you enjoyed the one I want some more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you. I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.